Hi, that's a good start. Alright. Hey YouTube, this is Ray the Magician 1. I am a lot older than since the last time you saw me. Let's see how old I was. Okay, so the last video you guys ever saw me in was 3 years ago. It was uploaded on November 20th of 2013. And, jeez, 10 dislikes, 4 likes, that's beautiful. Alright, but for this video, I'm going to be using this box right here. What's inside this box is a new thing that I've been trying to do. Rubik's Cube. What I got in here is I have just a regular 2x2, a 3x3 over here, another slightly worse looking 3x3, a 4x4, and then the weird ones, we've got a pyramid, or called a Pyraminx. We've got a Skewb, looks like this, I like that, and then we've also got the newest one, a Megaminx. Okay, the double chin right here. I'm going to try and solve all of them for you. For the bigger ones, obviously, these ones I will have to speed up the recording. I'll scramble them up and I will see you when they're all scrambled. Alright, so since this is going to take a while, I'm going to listen to some music while I do it. If you want to know the music I'm listening to, I'll put a link to the playlist down in the description. But with that note, let's get started. And here we go. 18 minutes. Or, well, rounded to 19, but we got 18 minutes. So that was me solving my cubes. I'm getting a new order in the next few days, so I will be doing an unboxing of that later. But just to show you, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 solved cubes. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys later.